Okay, let's get it on for our third game. Amores for 3, patay kayo. Oh, careful. Three points, 2 points, 2 points. No foul basket. Jones, JV for 3. Still finding their shot. Remel tries to go inside, finds an opening for 2 points. Remel Buckley. Inside, Saya. Misconnection between those two. Pau trying to cross this over using speed. On the left side, saw an opening, no good. Another fast transition for easy layup. All through. Jones saw an opening. Yes, sir. Lista mo na yan, sabi ni JV. Backs out. Behind the back pass. Yes. Reynolds. With a ninja band. Intercepted by number 9. Number 9. Stop for 3. Yes, sir. For number 9. Nasaan yung ninja band mo, Pao? Keep mo la po eh. Pau to Amores. Jump shot. Too short. Still finding shot. Ninja band. 7-4. Pau, slippery. Pau tried to cross, it's over. Jones pumping. Fast break again. Number 13 on the left side. There's, okay, good. Pau. Fast transition to Reynolds, stolen. On the left side, using the right hand, no good. Pau to JV. JV to Reynolds. Reynolds, perimeter shot, no good. Number 30. For a fast transition to number 13. What a quick 2-4. That in. Pau. Bubbles. On the left side, back to the three-point lane to Amores. No good. Number 9, setting the motion. On the middle, on the right side, miscommunication. Fast transition to Pau. Crossover. Naiwan ang bola. Jones. No good. Papainit pa yan si JB eh. Drop pass. Way. 11-4. Reynolds. For a ninja band. Back to Pau. To Amores. JV to Amores. Amores for 3. Bang! Number 13, nice control. Pero mali yung pasa, sayang. Too strong. Sayang those. Number 9 for our other 3. Bantayan niyo yun. Kanina pa yun, dalawa na sa kanya. Buckley. Stolen by number 9. No. Huli. 4-14. To Amores. To Pau on 3. No good. Fast break again. Turn around, fadeaway jumper. Too strong. Raymel to Popao. To Amores. Amores to Jones. Jones. Fadeaway jumper. Too short, sayang. Sayang, JD. Number 30, Bularo. Back for 3-point shot. Raymel to Popao. Popao. Ay! Raymel, ay! Nailang si Raymel Bakli. Love pass, yes sir. 19-4. Bakli. Jones pumping inside. Turn around. To Raymel. No good. Number 13, uy! Inside again on the left side. Wala. Malalim masyado. Baklig. On the right side. Teardrop. No good. Tapikan. Kay Popo ang bola. Popo ito sa 3. Too strong pa rin. Pero same ball. Three for Amores. No good. Another fast break transition. Wow. $19-4. Perimeter, no good. Tapikan. Kanila ang bola. Change score. Sorry guys. 21-4. Change score. Ang bilis ng game. Last 12 minutes. Be ready. Team 1 versus Team 3 for Game 4. Baklik tries. So the opening for fast break transition. Yes sir. What a play. Jones, no good pa rin. Inside, yes sir. Ang ganda ng pasahan. 25-4. Amores, 3. No good. Another fast break transition. 27-4. Tambak na tambak. Bawi tao. Yun, open under by Popao. Number 13, offset. Back to the perimeter, no good. Balik ulit sa kanya. Pinasa sa left side by number 30. Too short, kanya pa rin for another try. Number 9, pinipol sa 3, in and out. Sayang. Ganda ng form nun. Power move, bounce pass to Jones. Too strong pa rin, Jones. Number 8. No good. Popao, 3. Man. Back-to-back bucket coming from Popao. 27-9. Another 3. Time remaining. Last 10 minutes and 15 seconds. Number 6, Amores. Bang! 12-27. Nice. 8-0 run. 3, burahin ko yan! Man! 30-12. Another 3. Man! Give me 3, I give you another 3. Sabi ni Popao. What a competition for 3-point game. Bob for separation. No good. Popao using his quickness on the left side. Yes, sir, by Popao. 30-70. Oh, you want to shift the player inside. What a connection. 32-17. On the left side, Popao, pump fake. No good. Too short. Nandiyan na naman siya. 3! Sayang Jones, ayan na! Hopya! Uy! Hop! Naupa na sa box. Time out, time out. Labas, labas. Naupa. Nasobra sa bilis. Buti na lang dito tapakan. Highlights yun, Luis. Pati ako na-fake eh. 3! Man! Grabe naman yung kamay nun! 35-17. Uy! Huli ka! Number 32-30 on the lefty. Yes, sir. By 37-17. Popao, 3. No good. Number 9. Ay! May tapik na kasama. Okay. Last 7 minutes. Vincent. Yes, sir. 37-19. Last 3 for game ball. Batayan nyo, last 3 yan. Uy! Quickness! Bandang galaw! Kapo ng galaw nun! 39-19! Grabe naman si Kuya! Uy! 39-19! Jones, pump fake, 1 dribble, pull up, hey! Gumana na, finally! Kanina ko pa inabangan yung mga 1 dribble pull up yan eh. 3, tatapusin, wala! Ay, Jones ang bola. Sabi niya, let's go, Pao! JV! Yes, sir! By JV, para kang diesel, JV! Number 30! No good! Kilabaklik ang bola! Oy, copy ka na kay JV! JV, pull up! No good! Fast break transition! Yes, sir! Game ball! 41-20. Kamay-kamay. Game ball. Very good, very good. Ang bilis ng game. 15 minutes run. Okay, next game natin. Wait lang mga sir. Tingnan kayo konti. Let me just double check and sort this out first. Nandiyan na? Okay! Next game. Kupunan nila, Attorney Aldrin. That's the team 1. Okay. And team 3 versus Elijah Michelson, Lem Manyala, Jess Manyala, Warren San Patron, tsaka yan, James Go.
James